In every era, there comes a moment when imagination meets engineering, when curiosity transforms into creation. That moment is now. That moment is Kalpataru. Our objectives: bright minds, learn SLAM, AI, microcontrollers, and real hardware basics. Industry exposure, solve real robotics and control system challenges. Collaboration, work in mixed-year teams to learn and mentor. Holistic skills, build technical, communication, and leadership skills. Outcome-driven, turn weekends into fast, meaningful learning sprints. Training and mentorship. Bi-weekly sessions turn the IIC lab into an innovation area, covering embedded C, C++, ROS, Fusion 360, and Gazebo to build real engineering confidence. Rewards and recognition. At Kalpataru, every participant is a change maker and every achievement is celebrated. Digital badges. Every participant earns recognition for innovation and effort. Merit certificates. Top teams are honored for excellence in robotics and embedded systems. Cash prizes. Breakthrough ideas convert into real rewards. Showcase spotlight. Finalists shine at TechFest and IIC meets before industry experts. Evaluation criteria. Technical innovation. How boldly and smartly the solution redefines the problem. Functional performance. How well the prototype works in real conditions. Team collaboration. Clarity in roles, synergy and communication. Presentation and outreach. Crisp storytelling and strong community engagement. Project development phases. Kalpataru follows a structured 10-phase journey designed to guide student teams from concept to showcase. Firstly, problem selection. Teams choose from a curated list of real-world industry challenges, ensuring relevance and practical impact. Each problem is designed to spark innovation and interdisciplinary thinking. Secondly, requirement analysis. Students define both functional and non-functional requirements, clarifying what the system must do, how it should perform, and any constraints or dependencies involved. Thirdly, concept design. Teams develop work breakdown structures, that is WBS, and architecture diagrams to visualize system components and workflow. Fourth, detailed design. A comprehensive design document is created and reviewed, covering hardware schematics, software flowcharts, and interface specifications. This phase ends with a formal design sign-off. Fifth, kit allocation. Based on the approved design, teams receive customized kits containing microcontrollers, sensors, connectors, and 3D printing credits, tailored to their project needs. Sixth, prototype development 1. The first physical build begins. Teams integrate hardware and software components. 7th, integration and testing. System-level testing is conducted to ensure all modules work together seamlessly. 8th, optimization and debugging. Teams refine their code, calibrate sensors, and improve mechanical stability. 9th, documentation and peer review. Final reports are prepared, including technical documentation, design rationale, and test results. 10th, the grand finale and the final showcase. Teams present live demos and project decks during Kalpataru Showcase event, featuring working prototypes, pitch presentations, and Q&A with judges and industry guests. Timeline: the implementation roadmap. From weeks 1 to 2, we will finalize the problem list with industry partners and procure the kits. From weeks 3 to 6, research, design, and prototyping. From weeks 7 to 8, documentation and final showcase. From weeks 9 to 14, impact reporting and next cycle planning. The closing remarks. Kalpataru is more than just a project. It's a moment. A moment to illuminate student careers through mentorship, technical excellence, and entrepreneurship spirit. With your support, we aim to showcase tomorrow's breakthroughs and foster a culture of innovation in Lonavala. Let's build the future together.